As a result of climate change, events such as heat waves, droughts and floods have multiplied throughout the world. In urban and peri-urban areas, these disasters can affect vulnerable infrastructures in essential sectors like water, transportation, energy and waste, and produce impacts related to housing, healthcare and the environment. In recent years, more than 7,000 climate disasters have been recorded, causing an economic loss of nearly $3 trillion worldwide and affecting 4 billion people. In this context, the Icaria project, funded by the European Commission's Horizon Europe program within the scope of the European Climate Change Adaptation Mission, aims to minimize the impact of climate events on critical assets. For this purpose, Icaria aims to promote the use of a comprehensive asset-level modeling framework to achieve a better understanding about climate-related impacts produced by complex, compound and cascading disasters and the possible risk reduction provided by suitable, sustainable and cost-effective adaptation solutions. The data extracted will be used to create support decision tools and take adaptation measures to minimize the damage and costs of possible natural disasters. Methodologies and tools will be tested in Spain, Greece and Austria, and then replicated in other European regions. Icaria, working for a more resilient Europe in the face of the climate crisis. Project led by CETAqua and Aquatech, together with 13 partners from 5 different European countries.